Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a red-hot 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Limited LT, stock number A7443. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights and there's a sharp chrome trim on the grille. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Firestone tire that is a 16-inch. To the interior, you have a power sunroof here, and there is a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 2 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Cruze. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. You do have a backup camera here. Inside the trunk here, you can see it is very clean. You do have a cargo net, and then that second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. Stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel here, you've got your cruise control buttons. To the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Looking up to the rear view mirror, you've got OnStar buttons here. And then coming down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display, which is actually where your backup camera shows. You can see you have Chevy MyLink here. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. And then coming over to the home screen here, you do have capabilities for XM satellite radio, Pandora radio, and Stitcher Smart Radio. Underneath of that, you have additional audio controls. Coming down further, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and highway mileage, that's going to get you around 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Cruze or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.